In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a cash advance received from customers in Zoho Books using the Advance Payment Entry Guide. Let's begin by opening Zoho Books, where we'll work to ensure your accounting records reflect those vital advance payments from your customers. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section. You'll find this option conveniently located in the left sidebar of your screen. Once you've clicked on Sales, you'll see various subsections appear. From those options, go ahead and select Customers. This step is crucial as it will display all the information related to your customer transactions. Now, let's zero in on the customer who has made the advance payment. Browse through your customer list, and when you found the right individual or company, click directly on their name. This action will open up the details page specifically for that customer, allowing you to see all relevant past transactions and information. Next, shift your focus to the top right corner of this page. Here, you'll spot a drop-down menu labeled New Transaction. Click on this, and from the variety of options that unfold, you're going to select Customer Payment. This selection leads us toward entering the specifics of that advance payment. Moving on, you'll enter the monetary figure of the advance payment. Look for the amount field, which is where this number will go. Make sure you input the correct amount because this figure will directly affect your financial records. Once the amount is set, it's time to double-check the customer selection to confirm everything is rightly assigned. Also, take a moment to verify other critical details, such as the date of payment and the payment method used. Accuracy here is key. Any discrepancies could lead to confusion down the line when reconciling accounts. After you've ensured everything is correctly entered and verified, you'll be ready for the finalizing step. Scroll to the bottom or wherever the Save button is located in this setup. You should see an option to save this transaction. Hit that button, and with that simple action, you've successfully recorded an advance payment in Zoho Books. And there you have it, a straightforward yet crucial task that will keep your bookkeeping accurate and up to date. Remember, regular and precise updates will help maintain your financial health, so keep these steps handy for whenever you receive advance payments from your customers. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy bookkeeping.